The date palm stands as one of the most significant cash crops globally, renowned not only for its economic value but also for its rich nutritional profile. Dates are packed with essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals, making them a crucial part of human diet for growth, development, and overall well-being. In Pakistan, date palm cultivation plays a pivotal role in our agricultural landscape. With over 252,000 acres dedicated to its cultivation, Pakistan's date production surpassed 730,000 tons in 2022, solidifying our country's status as a key player in the global dates market. Pakistan ranks fifth in terms of area under date palm cultivation and total production, and is the third largest exporter by quantity. However, we must acknowledge that despite our volume, we rank ninth in terms of trade value, largely due to lower prices of Pakistani date products in the international market.